Okay mga kabarangay, medyo malamig ngayon. So just remember per CDC, the right amount of cardiophysical activity for staying healthy and losing weight varies from person to person. So if you want to walk beyond 15 to 21 minutes, it's up to you guys. But always consult your doctor before doing that. Exercise is not just about losing weight. You need to listen to your body too. So pag in-ignore mo yung sinasabi ng katawan sa'yo, tayo nahihilo ka o sumasakit na yung muscle mo at hindi mo pa ipinahinga, it can cause serious injury to your body. Magkakaroon ka na ngayon ng overtraining syndrome. Mawawalan ka na ng energy. Magkakaroon ka na ng overfatigue, overuse injury. Dati muscle pain lang. O tapos naapekto na yung joints mo. Magkakaroon ka na ng achy bones and tendon. So arthritis at tendonitis ang bagsak nun. Marireduce ang iyong immunity. So yung mga panlaban mo sakit, hihina. So ang good sign niyan na mahina ang immune system, lagi kang sinisipon. Hanggang sa maapektuhan na yung iyong pagtulog, magkakaroon ka na ng insomnia, depression, anxiety, stress, loss of appetite, loss of monthly period, hindi ka nare-reglahin, and then yung hormonal imbalance. And then after all that, ayan na, weight gain. O nagulat kayo, weight gain. Bakit weight gain? Kasi nga, in-ignore mo, nagkaroon ka na ng overtraining syndrome. Kaya yung iba, nagtataka, lahat na ginagawa. Pero, hindi pa rin sila pumapayat. So, kaya, sa susunod nating video, i-discuss natin yung hormonal imbalance para malaman ninyo bakit hindi tayo pumapayat.